Hey there, what's happening? I'd like to take you on a bit of a journey of curiosity and knowledge. All right? Here we go. Because a rooster's crow can reach 140 decibels, they have acquired built-in earplugs. Researchers explain that as it tilts its head up to crow, their external auditory canals close, preventing loud sound from coming in and doing damage. Which begs the question, who cock-a-doodle knew? The very first pizza was made in Naples, Italy, in the late 18th century. It was simple then: tomato, mozzarella, and basil, each representing the colors of the Italian flag. The tradition of blowing out birthday candles dates back to ancient Greece. The Greeks back then were polytheists and believed that blowing out birthday candles would send their wishes to the gods. You think a hurricane is scary? Imagine hurricane winds up to 2,000 kilometers per hour or 1,300 miles per hour. That is a normal occurrence on Neptune, the furthest planet in our solar system. It also ranks as the coldest planet. A United States park ranger named Roy Cleveland Sullivan, who worked at the Shenandoah National Park in Virginia between 1942 and 1977, was struck by lightning 7 different times. Miraculously, he survived them all and lived to the age of 71. The fastest gust of wind ever recorded on Earth was 407 kilometers per hour or 253 miles per hour. In 1996, a tropical storm off the Australian coast produced 5 extreme 3-second wind gusts, the peak of which was a 253-mile-per-hour gust.
During the French Revolution, Louis XVI and Marie Antoinette tried to flee their palace incognito. An observant postman thought he recognized them and confirmed his suspicion by comparing the king's face to the one on his banknote. There are more bicycles than people in the Netherlands. This is because people there use bicycles as their main mode of transit. Almost everyone in the country owns one. In 1934, Martin Luther King Jr.'s father, a respected Atlanta pastor named Michael King, became so enamored with German theologian Martin Luther while on tour there. So much so that he changed his name along with his 5-year-old sons upon returning home. According to a recent Newsweek article, the most globally popular musical instrument to play is the piano. It is closely followed by the acoustic guitar and then the violin after that. St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican City is the world's largest church, spanning 728 feet long, 500 feet wide, 450 feet tall, and has enough room for 60,000 people. Surprisingly, few people know that Europa was a princess in Greek mythology. It is believed that the name Europe was derived from this and was used by Greek geographers as early as 6 BC.
An estimated 700 grapes go into a single bottle of wine. That's around 1.18 kilograms or 2.6 pounds. In case you wonder how much fruit you'll get when you uncork your favorite. A team of 6 women programmed the first digital computer. The female mathematicians now famously participated in a World War II program coding instructions into the revolutionary Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, also known as ENIAC. With new life, baby elephants suck on their trunks for comfort. When doing so, they're just like human newborns making funny faces. only a tad bigger. 4 times more people speak English as a second language than as a native one, and nearly 3 times more people speak Mandarin Chinese natively. English has around 2 billion people learning it as a second language. In 1992, a cargo ship traveling from Hong Kong to the United States lost a shipping crate that contained 28,000 rubber ducks. Lost at sea and floating about, the ducks continually pop up on shores around the world to this very day. In 1905, 11-year-old Frank Epperson left out a wooden stirrer in a cup of water and soda pop overnight. When he discovered it was frozen the next morning, he also just then, and unknowingly, invented the very first ice lolly or popsicle as we know it now. So what did you think? Comment below and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, mate.